so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. Please welcome to another episode of my channel, and I'm here with Dorcas, and she's here from Cebu. And can you introduce yourself?
Yes, hi guys, my name is Dorcas and I am a foreigner living here in Cebu City and also a foreign student, and I am here with him.
That's right, and today we're going to be taking you to the Cebu Seaside Shopping Mall. You know, we're going to be exploring and showing you some beautiful places here in the shopping mall today, guys. You know, and I'm going to be exploring with this beautiful lady here.
And this mall is the 4th largest mall in the Philippines.
There you go, guys. So the 4th largest mall in the Philippines. And also, if you could please subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, guys. I'm also going to put our link down in the description. Tell them the name of your YouTube channel.
The name of my YouTube channel is Dorcas Mubo. It is actually long, so you can put it in the description. It's
going to be on the description, guys, and also as it appeared also on the screen as well, guys. There you go. Perfect. That's it there. Look at it, guys. That's our name. And also, not just on the screen, also in the description. Our link is in the description, guys. Please go and subscribe to our channel. Click on the link down below and it will automatically take you onto our channel. So guys, let us take you around. I cannot wait to share all this video in this video right now.
So basically, actually, we came here to get, you know, some mango cakes at this beautiful restaurant here. You may want to show them around later, but it's so nice, and I actually like it because it has less sugar, not so much sugar.
It's not so much sugar. It is literally nice. You know?
I love it because.
Yes, guys. So we are finally at the Tempe bowling. Yes, we are going to be doing some bowling today, guys. So this is the first part of the video we're going to be showing you. Before we show you around the shopping mall, we want to show you the shopping mall, but today we're going to be doing some Tempe bowling. And it's the first time.
It's my first time actually. Thanks to him.
Yes, the first time I saw it, and I literally said to her that, you know, I think we should do some bowling here, guys. You know, so she really wanted to do it, and I can't wait, guys. We can't wait to do this out here.
Let's see who's going to win.
Yes, right. So it's a challenge. Remember, guys.
We have 20 throws each.
That's right, and we bet 1,000 peso on this as well. So the winner get 1,000 peso.
Oh yeah, I also. I hope I'm the winner.
Oh yes.
Okay. Keep watching.
Keep watching, guys. happened? What happened? What happened?
It went away.
Yeah. Yeah, goal, goal.
It's your turn.
Say hello.
I'm sad, guys. He keeps winning me. All my shots are all going to the sky.
Okay guys, okay. So we just finished the game, guys. Finally we finished the bowling game, and
He won.
I don't know who the winner is. I think she's the winner.
He won, guys. He won. And I'm so disappointed.
No, she's the winner.
I'm so sad.
She's the winner.
No, he's the winner.
That was a really good game, guys. The game was so amazing. I love it.
It was so fun. We kept on laughing.
And we have a lot of fun as well, guys. It is really a lot of fun. You know, it's absolutely a lot of fun.
We are here at SM Seaside.
Yes,
and
guys.
This is the fourth largest mall in the Philippines, and it's so beautiful, guys. Everywhere, especially at Christmas. Super beautiful.
That's right, super beautiful, man.
Yeah.
I really love it, guys. You know, it's really beautiful in here. So why don't we continue and show you around this shopping mall, guys?
Yeah. Keep watching.
Keep watching. You know, in Cebu Seaside Mall as well, guys. If you look, you got the pizza shop is over there. You got lots of interesting things, and even over here as well, guys. If you look at this place over here by Orange, it's a very nice place to come as well, guys. They got juices, you got everything over there, and we still got our lovely beautiful here.
Oh. Have you ever tried riding the things in the mall? Is it a scooter?
No, I'd love to try.
So basically, if you're tired of walking, you just rent the thing for like 20 pesos, I think.
Oh, that's in there, isn't it?
No, I don't know. This is a car. I think this is different. I think this person drives you.
Okay, so you drive us around.
But the other one, you are the one who, you know, who drives it, who rides it.
Yeah.
So basically, guys, this is the mall. I wanted to say this is the mall of Asia. This is SM Seaside Cebu. We have mango here. We have a lot of, you know, plants here. H&M, everything you can think of. It's just so beautiful. Yeah, and there are Christmas lights. You know, everything is screaming Christmas.
Okay guys, this is where I'm going to be wrapping it up for today. I really hope you guys would really enjoy this shopping mall.
Yeah. We have fun at the bowling that we did, the bowling or something.
The bowling was fantastic guys, you know, the winner.
No,
I gave her my point.
He is the winner.
He's the winner.
That's because I am not competitive. I just let people do their thing, you know.
Yes, but she's better than me. She's better than me, guys. She's better than me.
He's very good, guys.
But she had a really bad day.
Yeah, very bad day. Guys, I do hope you enjoyed this video. So make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel.
And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And the YouTube channel name is
Dorcas Moron Mover. Thank you so much, guys.
And our link is going to be down in the description as well, guys. So you can click on the link and you can forward straight to our channel, guys. Don't hesitate. So remember, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss the video. You'll be the first to be notified when I put a video up. And both of us and the beautiful lady, we are literally signing out from SM
Seaside. So see you in this